Hey there, welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Get ready, because we've got something super exciting lined up for you. We're about to spill the beans on the top 10 legit ways to make money online. Yep, you heard that right, we're not just skimming the surface either. Oh no. We're diving deep into each method, giving you the lowdown with real-life examples and all the juicy deeds you need to kickstart your money-making journey. But wait, there's more. We've got your back with links down below in the video description. Trust us, they're like treasure maps leading you to even more info about each method and some seriously handy resources to help you hit the ground running. So don't forget to check them out after you've watched this video. Now, who's ready to set sail on an epic adventure into the realm of online money making? Whether you're a high school hustler looking to fund those weekend shenanigans or a full-time worker dreaming of ditching the 9-to-5 job, guess what? The internet is your playground, my friend. Imagine this. You're chilling with your favorite drink, wrapped up in your blanket, and scrolling through endless opportunities to add some more cash to your wallet, all without moving from your cozy spot. Sounds like a dream? Well, get ready, because we're about to make that dream a reality. So whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a seasoned professional, get ready to be blown away by the wonders of the digital world. It's time to turn those online fantasies into cold, hard cash. Let's dive in and make some magic happen. 1. Start affiliate marketing. Alrighty, let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing. It's like being a matchmaker for products and customers. Imagine you stumble upon this super cool gadget or the holy grail of skincare products that you adore. You're like, whoa, everyone needs to know about this. So, what do? You become the ultimate hype person. You shout it from the digital rooftops, telling all your friends and followers about this amazing find. And guess what? Every time someone clicks on your special link and buys that awesome product, cha-ching, you just made some cash without even lifting a finger. It's like magic, but here's the kicker, you don't just recommend anything willy-nilly. Nope, you only promote stuff you genuinely love and believe in. It's like being a trusted advisor to your online pals, helping them discover the coolest stuff while pocketing some cash on the side. So, while snuggling up in bed, drifting off to dreamland, and waking up to see that your bank account has grown overnight. Sounds pretty sweet, right? That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. It's like having a money-making sidekick that works for you 24/7. So, grab your cape and get ready to spread the word about your favorite products. Who knows? You might just become the superhero of online shopping. 2. Build a dropshipping business. Talking about dropshipping, it's like having your own store without all the boring stuff. Imagine this, you've got this brilliant idea for an online shop. You've handpicked the trendiest products that you know everyone will love. But here's the kicker, you don't have to worry about stuffing your garage full of inventory or spending hours at the post office. Nope, none of that. With dropshipping, you're the mastermind behind the scenes. You showcase all these amazing products in your online store, and when someone hits that "Buy Now" button, your supplier swoops in like a ninja and ships the product straight to your customer's doorstep. It's like magic. But cooler. So, think of this like you're chilling on the couch, binge-watching your favorite show, and suddenly, your phone pings with a notification. Someone just purchased from your store. And the best part, you didn't have to lift a finger. It's like making money while you Netflix and chill. So, if you're tired of dealing with inventory headaches and shipping woes, dropshipping is your new best friend. It's time to kick back, relax, and let your online store do all the heavy lifting. Who knew making money could be this easy and fun? Get ready to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. 3. Do freelance work. Let's dive into the wonderful world of freelancing, where you're the boss, the CEO, and the coffee fetcher all rolled into one. Picture this. You're sitting in your favorite cafe, sipping on a latte, and tapping away at your laptop. Sounds pretty dreamy, right? Well, that's the beauty of freelancing. Whether you're a wordsmith, an artist, or a coding genius, there's a gig out there with your name on it. And the best part, you get to call the shots. Want to work in your pajamas? Go for it. Feel like taking a spontaneous trip to Bali? No problem. With freelancing, the world is your oyster, and you're the pearl. Just imagine waking up whenever you want, rolling out of bed, and getting straight to work on projects that excite you. No more boring office meetings or water cooler gossip, just you, your skills, and the freedom to work from anywhere your heart desires. So, if you're tired of the 9 to 5 job and crave a little more flexibility in your life, freelancing might just be the answer to your prayers. It's time to ditch the cubicle and embrace the freelance life. Trust me, once you taste that sweet, sweet freedom, you'll never look back. 4. Fill out online surveys. Love sharing your opinions? Why not get paid for it? Online surveys, because who knew sharing your thoughts could earn you some extra cash, am I right? For instance, you're chilling on the couch, scrolling through your phone, and suddenly, you stumble upon a survey asking you about your favorite pizza toppings or Netflix shows. Sounds like a breeze, right? Well, that's the beauty of online surveys. Think of them as little questionnaires that companies use to peek into your brain and understand what makes you tick. And the best part? You get paid just for sharing your 2 cents. It's like having a casual chat with a friend, except this time, you're raking in some sweet, sweet cash. So, whether you're waiting for the bus, killing time during lunch break, or just lounging in bed, you can whip out your phone, answer a few questions, and watch your pocket money pile up. It's like turning your downtime into dough time, and hey, who knows? Maybe your opinion will help shape the next big thing in fashion or technology. So grab your phone, get comfy, and let the survey money roll in. After all, sharing is caring, and getting paid for it is just the cherry on top. 5. Work as a virtual assistant. Are you super organized? A virtual assistant might be your calling. Virtual assistant, it's like being the secret hero of the digital world. Are you good at keeping things super organized? Your friends always marvel at how you manage to do a million tasks without breaking a sweat. Sound familiar? Well, guess what? You might just be cut out for the world of virtual assisting. So, what exactly does a virtual assistant do? Picture yourself as the master of multitasking, helping busy professionals tackle their never-ending to-do lists. From scheduling appointments to managing emails and even keeping their social media game on point, you're the behind-the-scenes wizard making everything run like a well-oiled machine. But here's the best part, you get to do it all from the comfort of your own home, or anywhere with Wi-Fi, really. No more stuffy office cubicles or rush-hour commutes, just you, your laptop, and the freedom to work in your pajamas if you want to. So, if you're ready to unleash your super organizational powers and become the unsung hero of the online world, virtual assisting might just be your calling. 6. Start a YouTube channel. Lights, camera, action. Starting a YouTube channel lets you share your passion with the world, and who doesn't want to be a star, right? Imagine sitting in your room, surrounded by your favorite things, and you've got this burning passion that you just can't contain. Maybe you're a gaming guru, a makeup magician, or a crafting genius. Whatever it is, there's a whole world out there waiting to see what you've got. So, what's the deal with YouTube? It's like this magical platform where you can share your talents, your interests, and your unique personality with the entire planet. Whether you're teaching people how to slay dragons in video games, showing off your killer makeup skills, or giving folks the lowdown on your latest DIY project, there's an audience out there just waiting to hit that subscribe button. And hey, who knows? You could be the next big thing. Imagine waking up to thousands of adoring fans, getting recognized on the street, and living out your wildest dreams, all because you decided to share your passion with the world. So, grab your camera, unleash your creativity, and let's make some magic happen. Lights, camera, action, it's showtime. 7. Sell your products. Let's dive into the awesome world of selling your own products online, because who wouldn't want to turn their passion into cold, hard cash, right? Picture this scenario, you're sitting at your craft table, surrounded by all the amazing things you've made with your own 2 hands. Maybe it's funky jewelry, colorful artwork, or even cute little knickknacks that make people smile. Whatever it is, it's your own unique creation, and it's awesome. Now, here's where the magic happens. Etsy. It's like this super cool marketplace where creative souls like you can showcase their masterpieces to the whole wide world. Whether you're into crafting, painting, or just making people smile with your quirky creations, there's a place for you on Etsy. And the best part, you get to make money doing what you love. It's like turning your hobby into a paycheck, and who wouldn't want to get paid for doing what they adore? So, grab your paintbrushes, fire up your sewing machine, or dust off your crafting supplies. It's time to turn your passion into profit and make the world a little brighter, one handmade treasure at a time. 10. Creating and selling products. Got a brilliant idea for a product? Who doesn't want to turn their awesome ideas into cash, right? Let's say you've got this brilliant idea brewing in your brain. Maybe it's a funky piece of handmade jewelry, a quirky t-shirt design, or a digital masterpiece that's just waiting to be unleashed onto the World Wide Web. Whatever it is, it's pure gold. Now, here's where the magic happens. Platforms like Shopify. It's like this amazing online marketplace where you get to be the boss of your own store, and customers from every corner of the globe come flocking to see what you've got. Whether they're looking for unique gifts, trendy fashion, or cool gadgets, you're the one-stop shop for everything awesome. And here's the best part. You're not just selling products, you're selling dreams. No more boring 9-to-5 job or soul-sucking office politics. Just you, your creativity, and a whole bunch of happy customers who can't get enough of your stuff. It's like being the captain of your own ship, sailing towards e-commerce success. So, grab your sketchbook, fire up your laptop, and let's make some magic happen in the online marketplace. Get ready to create, sell, and leave a trail of smiling faces in your wake. Conclusion. Alright, let's wrap things up with a bang. In this video, we've laid out a roadmap to 10 legit ways to make some cash online. But hey, let's get real for a second. Success ain't gonna just fall into your lap overnight. It takes some serious hustle, a dollop of creativity, and a whole lot of elbow grease to make those dreams a reality. But fear not, my friend. We've got your back with all the tools you need right down there in the video description. So don't be shy, dive in and start your journey to online riches pronto. And if this video got you thinking and sparked some ideas, giving us a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button would be awesome. Alright, let's dive into some inspiration. We hope this video ignited a spark and has you pumped to chase after those financial dreams. Because guess what? With the right attitude and some hard work, you've got what it takes to make it happen. So keep pushing, keep hustling, and always remember, there are no limits to what you can achieve. And just like that, we've uncovered a goldmine of online money-making possibilities. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a seasoned expert, there's a digital journey calling your name. So grab your reliable laptop, your trusty phone, or whatever device tickles your fancy, because we're embarking on an adventure into the world of online success. So what are you waiting for? Pick your favorite idea, roll up your sleeves, and let's make some money together. Whether you're diving into affiliate marketing with full enthusiasm or setting up your own store on Shopify, one thing is certain, the digital world is full of opportunities waiting to be explored. So, let's seize the moment and begin unraveling the treasures of the online world.